Hey guys, welcome to the video. I want to do an unboxing. Ofra sent me some things and I wanted to dive in. So, I'm only just pulled the tab open. I haven't actually opened it. So, let's see what we got. I think it's the mystery box that they have. Let's see. Ooh, I see some pretties. How it's packaged. Very good. Let's see. Oh, wow. Pull everything out. Okay. So, in this box, we have a mini lip set. This one's Everyday Nudes, Volume 2. So, I've got this. I think I have all of these colors already. I'll check, and then I'll put, if I do have them, I'll put them in a giveaway. So I have that. And, I've been wanting this. This is the loose powder. This is the pink one. The brightening. Yes. I'm so hyped about this. I do have the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the pink. But I'm really wanting, really wanted this one. So, I see. Then we have a cream blush, a cheek and lip cream in the shade Devoted. And that's what that looks like. I think I do have this one too. I've got some cream blushes in a little three pan palette, but I'll check on that. But that's super awesome. Love that color. Then we have, oh yes, we have a mascara. This is this the waterproof one? I have the waterproof Ofra mascara and I love it. And it's waterproof. Let me see if this says it's waterproof on it. It doesn't say that it's waterproof, but this is good stuff. I really enjoy their mascaras. And even if this is not waterproof, I'm still going to use it. Then we got this Ofra Oil-Free Moisturizer, a lightweight hydrating moisturizer. How about that? That's pretty neat. Let's see. Has a safety seal on it. Then I got this lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Oh, look at that. That is a dark lip liner, and I love them. I was going through my lip liners the other day. Oh, pencil. Let's see how it. Oh, that's pretty. It's a very, very, very pretty and subtle brown. I bet this would look cute. On the lid, smudging it. That is a very pretty color. Alrighty, and the last thing in here is this. This is the... I do not have this. I do have a Pro palette, and obviously I took this out of the box at the start of the video, but I didn't open it. But I was thinking, oh, I've got that too. This would be a nice giveaway. However, this isn't the same one. This is the Pro palette, and this is what it looks like. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I love their Pro palettes. Oh, is that one of the... Yes, it is. This is a finishing powder. Oh, man. I'm super stoked. This. Now, for the cost, how many items were in this box? They were all full size. Let's see. So, this is full size. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, wow. So this is the premium. That is the premium, and it is $99. You can use my code. I'll have it listed either on the screen here, or I will have it in the description box. It's always in my my description box. That is it for this unboxing. I was so ready to see what I got. I'm super happy. I'm so glad that I can give back a little bit. So, when I do reach 400 subscribers, I'm teetering on the edge there. One day it's $3.99, and then another it's $3.97. So, once I hit that goal of 400, I will be having a giveaway. So stay tuned. As always, be beautiful, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.